You searched how to buy shares of SB Financial Group, Inc. SB Financial Group, Inc. is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SBFG. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy SBFG, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SBFG to find the listing. Then select the SB Financial Group, Inc. result to open its asset page. On the SBFG asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your SBFG position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is processed. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.